Wow! Look at all of these beautiful things. Miss Morgan, what is happening here? I'm seeing Scrabbles, I'm seeing hula hoops. What is going on in the ECC?
Tomorrow, June 11, 2026, is International Day of Play. Here at the Early Childhood Commission Office, all the staff members will be visiting the 7 Early Childhood Resource Centers where 10 schools per region will be visiting with 10 children each, to impacting over 350 children. We will be having fun tomorrow. We have trucks, construction, we have hula hoops, we have phones, we have building
And I'm
blocks.
seeing these.
Yes, and for
What are
dramatic
these?
play for children
Oh.
to enjoy and engage and have conversation, develop their language skills.
But when you say dramatic play, what do you mean? Because it's like I can put on a costume and be anything I want to be.
Yes, and just talk and pretend.
ECC is doing wonderful things. Play. So the staff will be playing, children will be playing, and our educators will be playing.
Yes, and some of our partners will be joining us. And we want to send special thank you to many of our partners. Thank you, Chase Funds. Thank you, NPL. Thank you, Lifespan. And thank you, JP Foods. And thank you, UNICEF Jamaica, for supporting International Day of Play 2026. See you tomorrow.